Hello.
Yo,
Have you tried pulling in my changes?
I did. Let me switch to
The only
Gmail.
thing in the app code I changed was with the DB seed.
What did you change?
With the DB seed, I changed so that the create and validate method on the org, it first filters the attribute keys to make sure that they're not null, and if they're null, it throws them out.
Wouldn't we? Okay, I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. Pasting my teammate to you in Slack.
Okay.
All right, so the email rake task calls out this import emails, which does all the work. So let's go to that. Find.
If you look at the stack trace, it boils down to add email, but yeah.
Down to add email. All right. Okay.
On the line where it's setting the email. So what we could do is only set that email if row 7 isn't null. And we could test that with a unit test.
Yeah. Well, instead of throwing these records out, why don't we just? Okay. So row 7 is the email. Okay, I see.
I mean, the only thing that we're
We just
using in
called
here
2s on
in that
it.
CSV file is the email.
Right. All right.
Well, if
So
you call toString on it, it's gonna toString on nil is, I don't know what that
string,
is.
empty string.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well, that works. But if you could get this under test first
Yeah, for sure.
before doing that.
Add email.
I think there's a test with something very similar, like on line 13 down. I mean, in principle, if you passed in, what would you have to pass in?
So this is actually running the method. Let me just throw a debugger in there and see where it gets caught.
Yeah, see what the row looks like.
Okay, that did not catch.
We don't have pry,
Oh,
so
but yeah, it's still not hitting that point, which is strange to me because we are calling add email, aren't we? Did I? It's maybe when we wrap it with not to raise error thing, it doesn't. All right, so anyway, that's when you should do it.
seem to have lost connection for some reason. But anyway, I'm back.
Okay.
So what did you do?
Just catching this debugger.
Okay.
So
if we type,
sorry, just orgs. Go ahead. Oh, so this is an actual database record already.
what does row look like?
Oh, row. That's right. Okay, yeah. This is. We'll just clone this test and put a nil in there. Okay.
But actually, Wait, so where is this file? This is row 7. It's actually a row that we're interested in.
Yeah. All right. Add blank string email to org if email is null. All right. So wompo wompo wompo. So I guess
That's what I wanted to see. What did row look like?
I don't think I need to put another comma in here. I think.
I just wanted to see what row looked like, but
Oh, okay. Do you want me to run the previous one again?
yeah, run the previous test so we can see. So actually, I don't want to see the test. I actually kind of want to see the failure, but I guess that's kind of a pain in the ass to get.
Well, I think we can
Let's see if we
prompt
can
the
make it blow up,
database
though.
to yell at us right now um, with this one right here. Let me click on
Yeah,
my bug.
see if it throws the same issue.
Um, that's not good.
That's not the same. Oh, that's because it's stubbed.
Oh, is it not actually running to the database? Yeah, okay. We should not
We should
do
make it
these blocks. We can still stub where, but and then actually let me undo that. Expect it's to change. It's called org1 email from, I don't know what it was originally, so I'm just going to put an empty string to, so we'll see that failed to tell us what it was originally, and we get rid of these two. Okay, so that looks like the kind of failure we're expecting.
Yeah, that's the same error.
Okay. Just out of curiosity, what was the mail beforehand? So, org1.email. Oh, it was an empty string. Okay. To So we could make this.
Change from not to change.
Well, we could, but I believe. Well, I'm actually not sure if that only wraps application errors or if it will also wrap a database error. We could be more specific about the error type too.
No exception, expected no exception, but got active record statement. Yeah, so
Right,
it's taking it as
right. Um, okay, so which do we want? Do we want the not to write error, or do we want the if we want to assert the value not changing?
not changing.
Okay.
Because it'll fail if it raises an error anyway, right?
All right. So anyway, let's just see that.
still failing for the same reason, right?
Yep. All right. So I believe if we just do s this, yeah. Is there another test you want to put on this to?
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
Well, no, I guess that's it, right?
I can't really think of something else. If this was, since this is CSV import, it's not like we're handling already existing emails in the organization or anything like that. We're just, yeah.
Okay.
So tests row 7 mail to string. Now my other question is, with our data import, we're not casting the other rows to string.
No, we're not, but I mean, we could do that potentially, but what I chose, not knowing that if you cast it to a string, it would be empty. I just chose to, you're talking about DBC, right?
Yeah.
I took a different route, but it gets to the same thing because of our default. If you look in org,
Which commit was it?
my last one,
Okay. So I should just be able to git show that. Wow. My keyboard enough. So, okay, so you're just filtering out the nils, and so therefore they're not being written and initialized to their default value.
they're going to be initialized to their default value, which is an empty string.
Okay.
Did you push your changes?
Not yet. But now I have conflicting. All right, I'm going to cherry pick my commit that I did with Marion, and then I'm going to force push on top of it. You okay with that?
What do you have conflicting?
Well, the commit you commented on is now sort of like not part of this stream of commits. I have it on a branch called this exact same thing.
Oh.
I don't even know if cherry picking is the right thing to do in this case. I think it is. See if it's clean.
I feel like it should be, oh. I mean, if you pulled my changes in, it should have been.
Well, I didn't pull your changes before writing that last night. I pulled Marion's changes.
No, but I mean what you just wrote right now.
Yeah, I had your changes there.
Would have included your commit.
Oh, it did.
It should have, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you did that. Git reset.
I pulled from you, not from Marion.
I see. So okay, yeah, I see it there. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's a clean push.
All right. See if I can. Now, if I run the import step, does it actually work?
Works for me.
Running it now.
Oh, I need to turn on feature flags.
Looks like it worked. Too. Is that noises?
What?
I said, is that a dog making noises?
Yeah, they want to go for a walk.
Okay, there's a lot of orgs now. Okay. These are the orphaned orgs, right? That's what we were calling them.
Yeah, I think most of ours fall into that category.
But these were ones that had already been associated with a certain email by the client, right?
Yeah, should be.
So she could invite them.
Yep.
Okay. All right, so we have that working.
Okay. All right, well, I should go walk these dogs, but
All right.
let me know if you're working on anything else.
All right, bye.
See ya.